In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove favorites in Outlook. If your favorites list in Outlook has gotten a little crowded, this quick walkthrough will help you clean it up so you only see what you use most. Favorites is the section at the top of your Outlook sidebar that provides one-click access to folders like inbox, drafts, or any mailbox you've chosen to pin there. Removing something from favorites does not delete the folder or any emails inside it. It simply unpins that shortcut, keeping your mailbox tidy and focused. Let's start by opening Outlook. If you're not already signed in, a simple way to get there is to open your browser, go to your preferred search engine, and type Outlook. In the results, select the official Outlook link to open the web version. Sign in if prompted. If you're already in Outlook, you can follow along from here. Once Outlook is open, look to the left-hand sidebar. Near the top, you'll see the Favorites section. This area lists the mail folders or views you've added as shortcuts. Common ones include inbox, sent items, or drafts. Take a moment to review what's currently listed. Think about which ones you actually use daily and which ones just add visual noise. When you're ready to remove something, hover your mouse over the favorite you want to unpin. You should see a small three-dot icon appear next to its name. That icon opens the More Options menu for that favorite. Click those three dots to reveal the available actions. This menu is context-aware, so it shows options specific to the item you selected. In the menu that appears, choose Remove from Favorites. As soon as you click that, the item will disappear from your favorites list. Remember, you've only removed a shortcut. The original folder and its emails are still safely in your mailbox, usually lower in the same sidebar under your main account folders. If you change your mind later, you can always add it back to favorites by locating the folder and choosing Add to Favorites. Repeat the same process for any other items you want to unpin. Hover over the favorite, click the three-dot menu, and select Remove from Favorites. Pause after each removal to confirm it's gone from the list, and continue until your favorites show only what you truly need. That's it. By trimming your favorites to the essentials, you'll navigate faster, reduce clutter, and keep your attention on the folders that matter most. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner Outlook sidebar.